often said it that even if exercise does nothing for the body, it does a lot for the mind. Now, most people out there that are out of shape or unhealthy, they don't have a reference point. They don't really know what good feels like anymore. And if you think of a bell curve, essentially you've got a round curve, and you've got well on the one side and you've got unwell on the other side. Firstly, the longer you stay over here, the longer it takes for you to become unwell. And then secondly, when you are at this side of the curve, you actually realize how crappy you actually felt when you were unwell. You have more energy, you're more productive, you sleep better, you're more confident, you're more energized, you think clearer, and you stress less. But you have to move from here to here in order for you to get that reference point. And the only way you get there is to finally make the decision that enough is enough and make that particular change to your life. But how do you make that change? How do you move from this position to here? And a good way to think of this is the default decision making process. And think of things that you do as a default. So if you keep your phone next to you at night when you go to bed, when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to check your phone. If you keep water in arm's reach or keep water in an eye's view, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to drink more water. So in order for you to move to a healthy version of yourself, you need to create new defaults per se, and you have to be doing these three things. The first thing is you need to keep simplicity in mind. You need to make it so damn easy for yourself. If your house is filled with junk, then you need to remove it. You've created a simple default for your thought process. The second one is visual cues. Place the water in front of you, you're going to be drinking more water. And the third one is the opt-in versus opt-out. It is harder to opt out than it is to opt in. So meaning that if you create it in your schedule, you're more than likely going to do it and not cancel it. If you know you want more out of life, and I believe in you, you can do it, make it happen. Give us a thumbs up if you're making the right decision to change.